हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल टेक 360 जोन्स में। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लाया हूं टॉप 5 ट्रिमर्स जो कि काफ़ी यूज़र रिव्यू के बाद हम लेके आए हैं। ये काफ़ी बेहतरीन और अच्छे प्रोडक्ट हैं अंडर 1000 रुपीज़, और मैंने इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है। अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें और लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें। चलिए वीडियो में आगे बढ़ते हैं।
There you are. There is your Nova NHT 1071 professional beard trimmer. That's what it looks like. Get rid of that, and you just flip a switch and it comes on. The back, okay, there is a lock. There's a lock and unlock button at the back. They've given that. So, for example, you could be that, and it's not locked right now, but okay, so that's pretty neat. So these are the settings. Okay, if you take that off, it does come apart, and over here you can see from 2 to 18 millimeters you can adjust the length, and adjusting the length is pretty easy. You just push up like that and it gets adjusted. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Right, there is a USB charging cable. There's some cleaning stuff to clean the trimmer, clean the blades, and you have a user manual. So there you have it. That is what you get in the box when you buy the Nova professional trimmer. The model number is NHT 1071. Right, once the seal is opened, so the beard trimmer, I'll just keep that off to the side. Okay, I'll keep the box also in the frame. So that's what this little plastic container contains, the beard trimmer. This is the beard trimmer itself. So the Sakte Beard Pro beard trimmer. It comes with this, again it tells you, this little card tells you the features, and exactly what's on the box is just repeated. So you can remove that little card. This is the beard trimmer itself. Okay, so it actually has a little bit of charge, as you can see, and let's just put that aside. Let's see what else you get. So they say that you got 4 combs. So these are the 4 combs that you get. So it says 7 mm, 5 mm, 3 mm, and 1 mm. So there are these different length settings, which I'll just place right here. 4 combs. Apart from that, at the bottom you can see that there's the charging cable. This is the micro USB charging cable. You get a warranty card, you get a cleaning brush, and this is the user manual. Alright, so let's just go ahead and set that out there, and there you have it. So there you have it, folks. That's everything that you get in the box when you decide to buy the Sakte HT200U
Humne Cordless Beard Trimmer 1C. There's some information on the box. It says it comes with high precision trimming, has 60 minutes of runtime, and also has self-sharpening blades. Well, it's time to open it up. Let's pull this white box out. There's a flap at the top. Let's open it. You can see all the products here. Let's first take a look at the trimmer. So, this is what the Humne Cordless Beard Trimmer 1C looks like. It has a matte black finish and looks very sleek. There's a power button in the center, which when pressed, the LED indicator turns on. There's also a massive dial right above the power button. This controls the various lengths of the blade. There is one comb already attached to the trimmer. Let's remove that. Now, if you look at the trimmer, you will notice the stainless steel blades. The Humne beard trimmer boasts of self-sharpening blades as well. So let's keep the trimmer to the side and see what else is in the box. There's a carry pouch. That's a nice touch. There's also a cleaning brush. The cloth bag is a very nice touch indeed, as you can now use this to carry the trimmer and the charger instead of having to carry the box around. And finally, there's the micro USB charging cord for the Humne beard trimmer. And that's pretty much what you'll find in the box. Thank you so much for watching.
Hello and welcome to the unboxing unboxing of the Philips BT1210x15 USB Cordless Beard Trimmer. You can see that this is a very basic box, very similar to the other boxes of the series 1000 beard trimmers by Philips. There is not much of note here other than the fact that this trimmer supports USB charging and can run for 30 minutes on a single charge. Not bad at all. Now let's open this up. It's neatly wrapped in this compartment right here. Let's remove this. This is what the trimmer looks like. It has a beautiful ergonomic design. You will notice the Philips logo on the side, and it's ready to use. It also has a pretty solid grip. Let's keep the trimmer to the side and see what else is in the box. Up next we have two comb extensions of variable lengths. We also have a tiny brush. This is used to clean the blade and the head. Additionally, we also have a micro USB charging cable. Finally, we have some documents like the warranty card and the user manual. And that's all.